So friends, today I'm going to show that how you can change the car battery. And I have my Audi car and it is showing a low battery signal on the console. And what I went to the Walmart and got this Energizer battery 2032 3-volt battery, and it cost me around 9 Canadian dollars. So what you have to do is that this is a key. You need to press this one button here, and then from here, if you see this panel, the lining here, this is nothing but the battery panel. Either you can open it from a coin, or you can take a screwdriver and gently push it up, so it will just pop up. So let me do that and then I will show you. So here you go. I just see here it has a battery 2032. So you just take this battery out, put a new battery, and new battery should be all good for next 10 years. So this is a quick fix, so do it yourself and you should be all good. Thank you for watching.